Hello, students and parents. This is Mr. Newman. I wanted to take a few minutes today to walk you through Canvas. There were a few questions yesterday on how to locate Zoom links in Canvas, and I have reorganized things to hopefully make things easier on students and parents on how to find assignments. So I'm just going to take a few minutes and walk you through Canvas. So I'm going to start at my class link page, and I'm going to click at the top left-hand corner on the Canvas icon. Now this will be my Canvas page as the teacher, but your students will look very similar. So I would recommend starting here every day at Canvas. Now, students need to click on Dashboard. And Dashboard will show the courses that the student is enrolled in. They should be enrolled in a math class, a science class, a social studies class, and a reading class. So I would like for them to start at their math class. So it's going to be a picture of my dogs, one of my dogs, depending on whose homeroom that they are in. So I'm going to click on a math class, and then I'm going to go to student view because this is the view of how it will look from a student's iPad or whatever device that they're using. So there will be 4 main links on the left-hand side once you are in your math course. I want students to click on modules. There's only 4 links that you can click on. Chat link will be if you have a question, you can use the chat. Mastery Connect we will use on Fridays. Modules is going to be your most important button. This is where you're going to find the assignments for today and every day. The home feature has all of students' overdue assignments. If anything is overdue, that means it wasn't submitted through Canvas by the due date. It will say overdue assignments. Anything that is overdue will be listed on the home page underneath that particular course. So this random student has 3 assignments overdue. If you click on this, it will tell you how to submit the assignment. Some of these are videos that students have to watch and then submit something at the end of the video. These are upcoming assignments. These are coming up through either today or this weekly review is not due until next Monday. This gives a good idea of past assignments and upcoming assignments. So I do want students to click on modules when they do get in the correct course, Mr. Newman's math class, or it might say if you're in Miss Garner's homeroom, it would say Math Garner instead of Math Newman. Under modules, it's very laid out for students. It has the week that we're on. This is math, August 24th through August 28th. It has an overview of the week. They can click on that and get an idea of what's going to happen Monday through Friday this week in math. If we go back to modules, it has also all the homework that is due by Monday, August 31st. It has the weekly review. This is where they will turn in the weekly review. It has the Khan Academy and the iExcel. Now, the Khan Academy and iExcel are done on their own websites. The weekly review can be printed and submitted from right here under homework. Now, yesterday was August 21st. It has the Zoom meeting. Now, since the Zoom meeting is already passed, this is now a recorded of the Zoom meeting that happened yesterday. Some people said that they couldn't get into the Zoom yesterday. Zoom was having some issues. We got an email from the IT department with Hamilton County that says Zoom was down, not letting some people in. If you were unable to get in yesterday, I apologize. Hopefully that will not be a reoccurring issue. But this is a recording of yesterday's Zoom meeting. So if your child missed it, they're welcome to click on that and check it out. Grade weekly review. We did that yesterday. This is a video that students watch and they grade their own weekly review. Now notice that the next two things are not, you're not able to click on them. That means they have to finish this assignment first before they can get to the next assignment. So you have to submit something here before you can get to the next assignment. So that means I want students to do these in order. So if you click on Grade Weekly Review, here are the directions. It says grade the weekly review with Mr. Newman, have your pen and weekly review ready, submit how many you got wrong. So here's a video of me grading the weekly review. Students will watch that, they will grade their own, and they will come up here to submit assignment, and they will just type in how many they missed right there. That's all they do. And then they will click submit. I'm going to say I missed 3. Click submit. And you get some confetti. If you go back to modules now, the next assignment will be unlocked. Number forms. This is the other assignment that I want students to do yesterday, August 24th. If they click on number forms, there will be some directions, and there's also another video. So there are no directions here, so if students watch the video, at the end of the video, it explains exactly what I want students to submit. For this particular assignment, it is a picture of their notes. So if they watch the video, at the very end, it says what to take a picture of and submit, and this requires a picture or file upload. There is no text box to answer this assignment. This requires a picture either saved on their device or taken with their iPad. So I'm going to choose a file, just a random file from my computer. I uploaded it and then submit assignment. And then the next thing will be unlocked in modules. There's some confetti. And then if I go back to modules again, the next thing for day 1, August 24th, will be unlocked. And we click on that and it says, yes, end of day 1, stop. So they have finished all their math assignments for day 1. So they have to walk through these in order. Now, that is for math. If we go back to the dashboard, we'll go back to our dashboard where it lists all of the classes that the student is enrolled in. I have to leave the student view for a second. Now I'm going to click on a science class. That's the other subject that Mr. Newman teaches. And it's basically the exact same thing. If I click on, here's the home, let me go to the student view. Here's the home page. It says upcoming assignments. Notice it doesn't say that anything is overdue here. And I could click on modules and it has science day 1. Here's the assignment. If students did not do the assignment from day 1, it is listed right here. Day 2, which is today, August 25th, here is an assignment. If you click on it, it has the directions. It says, in your own words, describe photosynthesis. Use as many details as you can. So when students are ready to submit this, they will click submit and they will type their answer. That's all they do. If they want to insert a file from their computer, let's say they did it on Word, they can also insert a file if they'd like, but all they have to do is just type their answer. Now, yesterday I did send an article, the STEMscopedia. This explains photosynthesis. So if students didn't do that, they're going to have a hard time doing day 2's assignment. So this was STEMscopedia. This is an article on photosynthesis. And then there's questions on the last page that students are supposed to submit for this assignment. And that's how I will organize Canvas from now on. I believe it's fairly easy once you know where to go. Remember, when students click on the correct class, math or science, click on modules, it will walk you through whatever day that we are on. So this is where I recommend students start their day every day, Monday through Friday. This is where I will post Zoom links. I'm going to show you where I post the Zoom link for today. When students want to Zoom at 1:30, I'm just basically going to walk them through this exact same thing. I'm going to go back to my math course. And if students click on modules, they go down to day 2. Day 2, August 25th, that's today. Zoom at 1:30. If they click on this, it should take them to the Zoom link at 1:30. It should work. If it doesn't work, then that's an issue with Zoom, not the link that I've sent. So today's assignments, we have Zearn. That just reminds students to complete one lesson on Zearn. Don't forget about that. Then we have a place value worksheet and video on vocabulary. If they click on that, it will walk them through that. There is a video to watch and a worksheet to do, and then that will unlock the next assignment once students finish that. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Once again, this is where I want students to start their day. They do not have to wait until 1:30 to start on Canvas. As soon as they wake up in the morning, if they're not in a Zoom with Mrs. Garner, they're welcome to start their assignments. But please make sure that you check math and science in your dashboard. Okay, your dashboard is how you find out what class you want to be in. You want to be in math class or science class. I teach both of those. Okay, so that is Canvas. Let me know if you have any questions. We'll be using Canvas all year, so it's important students can navigate their way through Canvas. This is a learning experience for all of us. So if students have any questions, they can always use the chat feature in Canvas. They can write a question. They can also use an email in Canvas if they want, their inbox. And let me know if parents, you guys have any questions. I'll be glad to walk you through anything that you still may have questions on, or it's not clear exactly where to find particular things in Canvas. But I've designed this where I'm hoping that it'll be easy to see all the homework for the week, the big idea of the entire week under the overview, day 1, day 2, and then day 3 will be unlocked tomorrow, probably around 8 to 8:30 a.m. Okay, you guys have a great day, and we'll chat soon. See you, bye.